Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant notifications every time someone mentions you in their Instagram bio, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable notifications for mentions in bio on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Instagram.com. Log in with your account details, and once you're in, you'll land on your Instagram homepage. On the left side of the screen, look for your profile icon. Click it to open your profile menu. In this menu, you'll see several options. Find and click on Notifications. This is where you can manage all your Instagram alerts and push notifications. Next, inside the Notifications section, look for the option called Push Notifications. Click on it to access more detailed notification settings. Here, you'll find a list of different types of alerts Instagram can send you, including likes, comments, and, most importantly, mentions in bio. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Mentions in Bio. By default, this setting might be turned on, which means you'll get a notification every time someone adds your username to their bio. To turn these notifications off, simply select the off option next to Mentions in Bio. That's it. No more interruptions from bio mentions. With this simple change, you can enjoy a quieter Instagram experience, focusing on what matters most to you. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow these steps again and choose your preferred setting. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to take control of their Instagram notifications.